Adding a permanent swimming pool slide is a massive backyard investment. If you're looking for an affordable swimming pool upgrade to keep the kids entertained this summer, this inflatable option is worth considering. It's built from heavy-duty vinyl and serves as a portable water park that sits right on your deck, working seamlessly with both in-ground pools and above-ground pools. You just hook up a standard garden hose to feed the built-in water sprayers, keeping the slide slick. It's a solid, budget-friendly pool accessory for maximizing your backyard fun, and you can deflate it completely when the season ends.
If you really want to elevate your backyard experience, adding a full-size curved swimming pool slide brings that genuine, high-energy water park thrill right to your home. It's a major structural swimming pool upgrade designed for families who want a premium, long-term feature for their outdoor living space. This type of slide is roto-molded for maximum durability, meaning it's built to withstand years of intense sun and heavy use. It features an enclosed ladder for enhanced safety and a high-volume water delivery system to keep the ride fast and smooth. While it requires a permanent installation on a concrete deck and a dedicated water connection, it's a top-tier pool accessory for increasing your property's entertainment value and creating a spectacular backyard resort.
If you're looking to maximize the excitement in a tighter space, a 360-degree spiral swimming pool slide is an incredible swimming pool upgrade. It delivers a full-circle water park twist without requiring a massive, sprawling footprint on your deck, making it perfect for compact outdoor layouts. Constructed from rugged, weather-resistant materials, this heavy-duty pool accessory is designed for long-term durability against the elements. It features deep flume walls and integrated handrails to keep the ride safe for the kids, while a steady water delivery stream ensures a smooth, fast glide all the way down. While it does require a permanent installation onto a concrete deck, it's a fantastic, space-saving choice to elevate your backyard entertainment and add serious fun to your permanent swimming pool setup.
If you're looking for a highly durable, family-friendly option that doesn't overwhelm your deck space, a compact 4-foot swimming pool slide is an excellent swimming pool upgrade. It provides a steady, sleek look while acting as a robust pool accessory built specifically to blend with modern outdoor layouts. Constructed from heavy-duty, double-walled plastic, it's highly resistant to fading, cracking, and peeling from intense sun or chlorine exposure. It features deep, textured, non-slip steps paired with stainless steel handrails to ensure a safe, secure climb. An integrated hose attachment channels a constant stream of water down the flume for a smooth, fast ride into the pool. While it does require being securely bolted into a concrete deck for stability, it's a brilliant, low-maintenance way to bring water park excitement to smaller backyard setups.
If you love the performance of a permanent setup but want the flexibility to clear your deck, a fully removable swimming pool slide is a game-changing swimming pool upgrade. It's designed specifically for families who want heavy-duty, commercial-grade fun during active swim days without sacrificing their clean, backyard aesthetic. Constructed from robust, UV-resistant materials, this premium pool accessory safely supports both kids and adults. It features a built-in water delivery system that connects directly to a standard garden hose to keep the ride fast and slick. The standout feature is its specialized bracing system that keeps it rock solid when in use, but allows you to easily roll it away into storage when the season ends or you're hosting a formal deck-side event. It's the ultimate compromise between high-performance fun and structural flexibility.
If you're planning a specific layout for your backyard resort, a dedicated right curve swimming pool slide is a fantastic swimming pool upgrade. It's designed specifically for setups where the flow of your deck requires a smooth, sweeping turn to the right, ensuring safety and a perfect landing zone in the water. This heavy-duty pool accessory is rotomolded for maximum durability, making it highly resistant to cracking and fading under extreme sun and pool chemicals. It features extra-wide, deep steps for a secure climb and a high-volume water stream that keeps the flume slick for a fast, exhilarating ride. While it requires a permanent concrete deck installation and a dedicated water source, it's a premium addition that beautifully balances high-performance backyard fun with a tailored architectural fit.
If you love a classic aesthetic but want modern performance, a retro-style curved swimming pool slide is a fantastic swimming pool upgrade. It features a nostalgic profile paired with a thoroughly modernized heavy-duty flume, making it a stellar pool accessory for families who want a striking, high-performing feature. Standing at a robust 8 feet tall with a wide, deep-walled flume, this slide is rotomolded for maximum durability and strength. Designed for permanent in-ground installations, it can be surface flanged or mounted directly into the deck, offering full compliance with federal safety standards for complete peace of mind while bringing a resort-like atmosphere home.
If you want a budget-friendly option that delivers maximum splash excitement for the younger kids, a portable wave-style backyard water slide is an excellent swimming pool upgrade concept. It brings that high-energy splash park experience directly to your lawn or shallow pool setup without any structural installation. Constructed from lightweight, UV-resistant materials, this portable pool accessory features a built-in 3-zone sprinkler system that hooks up to your garden hose, distributing a continuous spray to keep the ride fast and slick. It also comes with an extended slip mat to ensure a soft, wave-crashing landing. It safely handles up to 100 pounds and sets up in minutes, making it a fantastic, low-maintenance way to turn an ordinary afternoon into an active summer adventure before packing away cleanly into storage.
If you're looking to bring a playful, high-energy atmosphere to your backyard, a dinosaur-themed inflatable water slide is a fantastic swimming pool upgrade for younger families. It transforms a standard pool deck into an imaginative splash zone, giving the kids a vibrant, creative way to cool off during hot summer days. Constructed from heavy-duty, puncture-resistant vinyl, this robust pool accessory is designed to safely handle constant sliding and splashing. It sits securely on the edge of your deck and hooks up directly to a standard garden hose to power the integrated water sprayers, keeping the landing track incredibly slick. It offers a high-impact, kid-friendly entertainment feature that delivers major water park fun on demand, but deflates and packs away completely when the season ends.
If you have toddlers and want an option tailored specifically for early water confidence, an all-in-one Dinosaur Play Center is a brilliant swimming pool upgrade concept. It serves as a dedicated, shallow splash zone that keeps the absolute youngest swimmers safely entertained without the depth of a full permanent setup. Constructed from durable, kid-safe vinyl, this low-profile pool accessory is designed for gentle, low-impact play. It features a built-in miniature slide, interactive ring toss games, and an integrated volcano sprayer that connects easily to your garden hose to keep the play surface cool and wet. It's an incredibly affordable, low-stress way to introduce toddlers to water play, setting up effortlessly on your lawn and drying quickly for easy storage when the day is done.